Hola, if you're here, it means that you're a beginner or you just watched my recent video with the regular verbs, and today we are going to continue with the irregulars. I hope you practice regulars and you have them clear, you understand the regulars now, so you can move on and you can go with irregulars. They are both linked because the endings are the same. They are the same one as the regulars, but you need to have clear the regulars before to understand the irregulars. And you didn't watch my recent video, please go watch it because you should learn first the regulars to then after be able to move on to irregulars. And if you're new to my videos, well, I'm Alba. I'm from Galicia, north of Spain, and I've been teaching Spanish for 2 years, and now I decided to take it to the next level and teach more students all around the world. So this is gonna be a video where I teach you the present in Spanish. I'm gonna show you all my material, but if you want to download the material, you can do it on my website, Alba Fletcher Talks. So let's go to business. Let's start with the irregulars. You should be here if you already watched my previous video with regulars, okay? You shouldn't be here if you didn't watch that because the endings come from the regular one, so you need to watch that one, okay, to understand it and to not be like it is a little bit too much and overwhelmed by it. Let's start. So first we have this chart, okay? This here starts the irregulars. Well, why they are irregulars? Because it changes the start. The endings are the same ones as the regulars, but the start changes. The first ones that they are the E goes to IE, okay? So it's not pensó, the E will go to IE, so it'll be pienso. For example, mentir. So again, the E goes to IE, so instead of a E, we write IE. Then the rest, mient. And then the rest, we complete it. Yo miento, so it goes IR, okay, remember? Yo miento, tú mientes, él miente. But nosotros, vosotros, they keep the regular one. They don't follow the irregular rule. So here it will be yo miento, tú mientes, as we said before, miente, mentimos, mentís, mienten. Okay. The same, for example, sentir. Equals to IE. Siento. Tú sientes, él siente, sentimos, que skips the regular one, sentimos, sentís, sienten. The same with the rest one, okay? Every time that there are two E's, it's going to be the second one always, okay? It's not prie, it's pre. The second E we change it, so it'll be prefier, prefier. And then we complete prefiero, prefieres, prefiere, preferimos, preferís, prefieren. The same one with the rest ones, okay? The O goes to UE, so it's not puedo, it is puedo. For example, dormir. Dormir is to sleep. O goes to UE, so be duermo. Duermes, duerme, dormimos, we don't change it. Dormís, duermen. The same as, for example, probar. Probar is to try. Pruebo, tú pruebas, él prueba. Probamos, probáis, prueban. So jugar, the U to UE. Yo juego, tú juegas, él juega. Jugamos, the keeper, jugáis, juegan. Pedir, the E goes to I. B instead of pedo, it will be pido. For example, we're gonna do another one. Medir. Medir is to measure, okay? So instead of me, okay, will be me. Mido, mides, mide, medimos, medís, miden. Again, I know that this sounds like too much. I know it is too much. I know I'm learning French and it is the same. It's a lot of information, but it's little by little. You go learning some of them. Don't learn all of them. You see here a lot of verbs. Don't. Just learn the ones that you're going to use. For example, tener, venir, poder, okay? Jugar, pedir, pensar. Those ones you're going to use them. So you see here that venir and tener, okay, they have like a little mark. Why is this? Because yo, okay, de decir, tener y venir is irregular, okay? Will be yo digo, yo tengo, yo vengo. Why this? Well, we go to the next one. Okay. Well, these are the irregulars that only I is irregular. For example, hacer. Hacer is to do or to make, okay? We don't distinguish those verbs. So yo hago, but the rest. Tú haces, él hace, hacemos, hacéis, hacen. Just I, it is irregular. Same with, for example, poner, to put. Yo pongo, but the rest. Tú pones, él pone, ponemos, ponéis, ponen. Okay? Just I is irregular. But we have here, again, decir, tener, venir. So I is irregular. It will be yo digo, yo tengo, yo vengo with a G. But the rest, they are irregular, okay? And venir y tener, they are like pensar. So it will be vienes, vienen, venimos. And decir will be like pedir. So yo digo, but the rest will be tú dices, él dice, decimos. Then we have the ones that it changes to set, sí. It wouldn't be yo conozco, be yo conozco. But again, the rest are regulars. Tú conoces, él conoce, conocemos, conocéis, conocen. These verbs, these are examples, but these verbs, you don't need to learn them, okay? Aparecer, to appear, traducir, to translate. You're not gonna use them for now, okay? So no need to learn it. Conocer, to know, yeah. So you have here another ones, dar, doy, to give, estar, estoy, saberse. The rest, regulars. Yo estoy, tú estás. By now, you're probably like this man here. You're like, what? What is this, Alvaro? Like, what are you talking about? But it is little by little. Here you read them. You try to interiorize like everything to understand it in your way. And then after doing exercises and talking, then we have the totally irregular ones. Okay, that is ir and ser. So to go and to be. These are gonna be the first ones that you learn because you're gonna use them all the time. So to go and to be, you're practically gonna use it in every single phrase. Then this is the end. Okay, this is the end. There are no more. They are the ones that they go from ir to y. Okay, it appears y. They finish in ir, but appears y. It wouldn't be destruo, would be destruyo. Okay, yo destruyo, tú destruyes, él destruye, but nosotros, vosotros, they keep it, okay, destruimos, destruís, and ellos will be destruyen. Okay, this information is for you, but you don't need to learn these verbs. You're not gonna use destroy, build, run away, weed, to run away. You're not gonna use them, okay? So for now, don't learn them. Unless, for example, if you build things, okay, this one, you keep it and you learn it. But again, you don't need to learn this one because you're not going to use them for now. Okay, in this basic conversation that we are going to start with, you're not going to use them. Learn just the ones that you are going to use. Okay, we are going to, with exercises, choose the ones that you use the most, but you learn them. You learn these ones. Okay, don't learn everything because otherwise it's going to be too much. You're going to lose motivation in learning Spanish and it doesn't make sense. So now we're gonna go with the exercises, okay? I have some exercises here, okay? As I always say, please translate the phrases. Translate the phrases to see if you understand them. Yo siempre ir al trabajo en bicicleta. You try to understand what it means. Then after I always put the translation on the right, okay? So you can check if what you said is correct. Basically, it's just completing with different people. You will have the answers after. Well, I always leave you here more exercises if you want to practice more. There will always be a link to practice more if you want to. And then we have the part of practicing making phrases the same way that we did with regulars, but we are going to do now irregulars. So have different phrases that you are going to use. Ir de compras, to go shopping. You're going to say that phrase probably. Dar de comer al perro, to feed the dog. You're gonna say it too if you have a dog. So basically what we do now is completed. For example, salir con amigos. Salgo con amigos de vez en cuando. So I go out with friends from time to time. Hacer ejercicio. Yo hago ejercicio a menudo. Work out or exercise often. Once you complete the routine that you normally do, you can go with, for example, my dad or my mom, and you use the purse in a different person. And as well, how to make the question. Okay, this is very important because many students, they know how to reply, but sometimes they don't know how to ask questions. Okay, so this is very, very important. ¿Con qué frecuencia paseáis? How often you go for a walk? Well, this is another day. I'm just here editing the video, and I'm gonna leave the reflexives, the concept that doesn't exist, that I said it on the first video about regulars. It doesn't exist in English, so it's something that is very, very important to learn. But I'm gonna leave it for the next video. I'm gonna dedicate just a video to it, because otherwise it will be 10 more minutes of video and it will be too much. So the album from the other day is gonna continue with another outfit and everything. And this is it. This is how we learn the present, okay? This is like we have the regulars before, okay? This is the irregulars, how to use the present, okay? This is the most important thing. Not just learn the present for the sake of learning, no. You need to use it, okay? You can use it with the things that you normally do and your routine, okay? You need to use it. And then little by little, you will go learning them, okay? Again, it's not important to learn all the verbs. The most important thing is to learn the ones for now that you're gonna use. And always expose yourself watching videos. Even if it is difficult, the video, if you're picking up some words, it is good because you're always improving. Well, if you have any doubt, you can write me on the comments, okay? If you like to give me a thumbs up because it really helps me. And if you're not subscribed, you can subscribe because I will be uploading more videos like this with beginner level, advanced level. Obviously in advanced level I'll be talking in Spanish. This is like a beginner, so it's impossible to teach this in Spanish. And that's it. Muchas gracias. Nos vemos pronto y un beso muy grande. Minutos.